The Symphony of Whistlewood Forest. In the heart of Whistlewood Forest, where the trees hum and the wind whistles lullabies, something magical is stirring. Come closer, little listener, and discover a tale where feelings create music, and only a brave young fox can save the silence. Whistlewood Forest was once alive with sound. Birds chirped in harmony. Leaves rustled in rhythm. Even the stones hummed softly under your paws. But one morning, the forest fell completely silent. No music, no whispers, not even the heartbeat of the wind. Deep inside the forest, a young fox named Liora pricked her ears. She loved music more than anything. Ever since her mother taught her to play the leaf flute, she tried to blow a note, but all she heard was nothing. And that's when she noticed something strange. The trees were crying. Liora rushed to the top of the singing stone hill, where the songkeeper owl lived. He had been the forest music guide for hundreds of seasons. Liora found him in silence, his wings drooping, his eyes dull. "Songkeeper," she asked, "why has the music stopped?" He unrolled an ancient scroll, the map of emotions. "It's not just music," he croaked. "The heart notes are gone." "Heart notes?" Liora asked. "They are sounds created by our feelings, joy, sadness, wonder. The forest sings only when we feel." "But where did they go?" she whispered. The owl pointed to a faded mark, the echo cavern, a place forgotten in time. To restore the heart notes, Liora needed to gather the 5 lost emotions: joy, sadness, wonder, bravery, love. She couldn't do it alone. She visited her friends. Ravi the raccoon, who made others laugh with his dancing socks. Ama the elephant shrew, who cried when she watched sunsets. Pip the porcupine, who painted glowing mushrooms. Kiro the bear cub, who once faced a lightning storm to save a robin. And finally, her grandmother, whose lullabies warmed the stars. Each friend offered their purest emotion in a glowing orb. Liora placed the 5 orbs in her satchel and journeyed to the echo cavern. The cavern was silent and dark. As she stepped inside, her paw brushed a silver string, and a soft echo rang. "Do you believe in the music of your heart?" the cavern asked. "Yes," Liora said, her voice steady. The walls shimmered, and 5 doorways opened. Behind each was a memory, not hers, but those of others. She watched. A lonely mole who felt invisible, a joyful squirrel leaping from branch to branch, a wolf pup painting stars on cave walls, a weeping deer remembering her lost twin, a mother hedgehog singing to her child. Liora listened. She felt everything. And as she cried, smiled, laughed, and sighed, each orb began to glow brighter. Then, a pulse of music echoed through the stone. The cavern sang. Liora climbed out of the cavern just as dawn broke. She held the heart notes high. Suddenly, the wind stirred. The leaves began to rustle again, slowly at first, like a warm-up symphony. Birds chirped with new melodies. Tree trunks drummed softly as roots tapped rhythms underground. The forest bloomed with feeling and song. From treetop to riverbed, everything began to sing in harmony. Animals gathered at the singing stone. The songkeeper owl flew over and bowed. "You've brought back the song, not just to the forest, Liora, but to all of us." That evening, a great forest concert was held. Each animal played an instrument of emotion: drums of bravery, harps of sadness, flutes of wonder, bells of joy, and a great chorus of love. Liora stood at the center with her leaf flute and played the very first heart note melody. Her music glowed in the sky, painting the clouds with sound. And from that day on, the forest never forgot that feelings are music, and every heart has a song worth sharing. And the next time you feel something big inside you, smile, cry, laugh, or sing, because the forest might just be listening.